Supercharge your tech workflow with AI tools.
Harnessing artificial intelligence can maximize your productivity as a tech professional. From coding assistance to project management and efficient communication, smart AI-powered solutions are transforming the way we work. Discover 10 top AI tools that can streamline your daily workflow and help you get more done in less.
1. GitHub Copilot, Intelligent Coding Assistant.
GitHub Copilot uses AI to suggest code completions, generate functions, and even write entire algorithms based on your comments. By reducing the time spent on repetitive coding tasks, it allows developers to focus on solving complex problems and learning new skills. Copilot integrates seamlessly with popular code editors.
2. Notion.ai, Smart Knowledge Management.
Notion.ai enhances the powerful Notion workspace with writing support, automated summaries, and intelligent organization. It helps tech teams document processes, capture meeting notes, and brainstorm ideas more efficiently, saving precious time on manual editing and research.
3. Jasper AI-powered content creation.
Jasper is an AI writing tool ideal for creating technical documentation, blog posts, and project updates. Its templates and writing suggestions help you communicate more clearly while cutting down on the time you would spend drafting and editing.
4. SaneBox, Smarter Email Management.
That SaneBox uses artificial intelligence to prioritize your emails, filter out distractions, and ensure you only see what truly matters. With smart sorting and reminders, SaneBox helps tech professionals reclaim their inboxes and focus on meaningful communication.
5. Grammarly Polished Communication.
Grammarly offers AI-based real-time grammar, spelling, and clarity suggestions. When writing code documentation, technical briefs, or emails, Grammarly ensures your message is clear, professional, and error-free, helping you communicate more effectively with colleagues and clients.
6. Otter.ai, Automated Meeting Notes.
Otter.ai transcribes meetings and conversations in real time, making it easy to capture key discussions, decisions, and action items. With searchable and shareable transcripts, Otter saves time and reduces the risk of miscommunication within tech teams.
7. Trello with Butler AI, Smarter Task Management.
Trello's Butler AI adds automation to workflow management. It can trigger actions, move cards, and send reminders automatically, helping your team stay organized and focused on what matters most, without manual repetitive tasks.
8. Reclaim.ai, Intelligent Scheduling.
Reclaim.ai automates calendar management using artificial intelligence. It schedules tasks, blocks focus time, and resolves meeting conflicts, so you can make the most of your day. Reclaim keeps tech professionals in control of their time, without the usual calendar chaos.
9. ChatGPT, Instant Research and Brainstorming.
ChatGPT acts as a virtual brainstorming partner, offering quick explanations, troubleshooting, and idea generation. It's particularly helpful for problem solving, code review, and research, providing tech professionals with instant input and reducing time searching for answers.
10. Loom, Efficient Knowledge Sharing.
Loom leverages AI to simplify video communication. Record walkthroughs, bug reports, and product demos, then share automatically transcribed videos with colleagues or clients. Loom helps teams communicate visually, save time on meetings, and boost understanding across remote teams.
Unlock your productivity with AI tools.
Embracing these AI-powered productivity tools can transform the way you work. Implementing even a few of them will help tech professionals automate routine tasks, communicate more clearly, and keep projects moving smoothly. Stay ahead in your field by leveraging smart technology to work smarter, not just harder.